Alright, hey guys, today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Alright, so let's play. Alright, let's close that out. Alright, are we, wait. Did somebody press the button? Okay, what are we playing? Okay, do I have a jump button? I don't. Oh, yay. So it's okay, press. Come on, guys. Don't press the button. It's not that hard. Go to the red side. To red. Go. Oof. No. Stop it. Stop. No. Who's this? People hitting me? No. I'll be goalie, guys. Don't worry, I'll be goalie. I'll be goalie. I'll protect. No one scored a goal. Huh? Okay. Don't press the button. Avoid rockets? How are we gonna do that? Oh, I see. So, I thought that there was different rockets. Wait, I thought those glass things flying in the air were rockets. That was funny. Who are you? How do you get a sword? How do you get a sword? Oh, just kill me. Just kill me. I'm just gonna type kill me. What? I guess I can't type that. What? What did I just... Okay. Who is this? Some people have some very weird avatars. Oh gosh. There's only one person left. What is he doing? He has 100 IQ. This guy has 100 IQ. See that guy in that pole? That guy's 100. Don't press. What do we do? It says don't fall down. Okay. Seems easy enough. Okay. It's not as easy as I thought, actually. Run. Meow. He dodge. We're getting too close. Oh no! Move! Oh, they're getting bigger. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, nope. Oh my God. No. Move. Oh no. Hey, I was one of those 4 players. Don't press it. Yay, what does it say? You have 2 seconds to find building. What? Okay, light. Boom. Yes, I made it with 1 second left. We did it. But we're in the ball pit. We like to play. Yeah, we like to play in the ball pit. Okay, do we have to play this game again? Just keep finding one light. Okay, did it. It's a playground. They see me rolling. Oh, I was up here at first. Oh, yay, we did. Don't press the button, guys. Don't. Ooh, deliver the pizza to a correct house. 67. Why do I get that number? The number's not even that funny. The number 67 ain't that funny. 67. I see 67. Deliver. Did it. Let's go. I see them trying to find. Why do I get 67 out of all of them? It's not even that funny. Oh, I almost fell off the map. Don't press it, please. Complete the obbies to build the snowman, huh? Okay, sure. Sure, we'll complete the obby. Does not seem that hard. It's not seem that hard. Just complete this. Ain't that hard, man. What do we do? Snowman has been built. Okay. I will build snowman for. Don't press it. Please. No. Don't. Merge. Cross it. Cross. No. Oh my god. I'm gonna die again. Oh. Who survived? Don't press it, please. Oh, yay. Nice try, bud. Brown isn't that patient. Oh! Yeah, there we go. It's the kebab eater. The winner. Oh! Yeah, I died then. Don't press it, guys. Don't. Are you kidding me? Oh, mine. No. Mine. Left the mine all the way down. Mine. Ooh, I found a secret place. Ooh, look at this. I'm hoping this is mine. A ghost. Don't you me like make tunnels, ghost? Yeah, he doesn't respond. He did not respond as I wanted him to. I'm so sad. Fine. Come on. Let's go. Mine. Ooh. I like mining, guys. It makes me rich. This makes me rich. Oh, find 10 diamonds. Oh! Who found a diamond? I know I didn't. Huh? Get ready? For what? Oh, I don't like this. For what? Ooh. I'm gonna catch you, girl. You always press it. Oh, coin. Okay. It's my coin. Avoid the cube ult. I see now. Okay. I see the cube now. Oh, I'm sorry. Chill. Oh! I gotta avoid it gets bouncy! I just touched it. Fizzle that. Come on, get him, Cube. Oh, what did he just do? Did he just fly? Don't press it. Hey! I see you. Don't. Watch out for the snowballs. What snowballs? I don't see any snowballs. Oh, I see them. Yeah, I think we gotta watch out for them. Get in. I'm just gonna look above me and see if we can get snowballs below me. They are almost. Watch out for the snowballs, okay? Oh! Oh my god. I almost got cracked up. Reach the top, okay, bet. I'll reach the top without getting oofed. Oh! What? I was under the rock though. I was under the rock. That's how you win. You gotta be under the rock. Run. No way, a snowball just spawned right here. Oh my gosh. I bet that person just flew over there. Don't press it. Hey. Get ready. Ooh. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna box you. Box. 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 Oh, I won. Hey, I won. I won that match. Huh? Get ready to fight with random items here. Ooh, yeah! Let's go. All you guys are gonna get. Hi! I died. I died. It's not good. I died. Don't press it. Hey. Get to the top? Okay, but how do you get to the top? I see that somebody has a magic carpet. I see that. Why can't I have a magic carpet? I don't even have a magic carpet. Steel brain. Even though I like stirring steel brain right today. Boom. This is easy dub. This is easy. I told you he flies around. There. He flies around. Why is he flying around? Yeah, don't press it, Mamungus guy. Huh? Watch out. Watch out for those things. You gotta watch out. Do I just have to stand in here? Oh, I don't like this. I forgot you can jump. I forgot you can jump. Oh, bro just got exploded. Dog, what are we doing? Are we getting taken out? Huh? Oh, what? 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 What's that? I'm confused. Run, little dudes. She just flying around on a magic carpet. What? It's not fair. Well, I'm staying alive, see? Oh, I'm running. See, I'm staying alive, see? Good, I'm running. What? Kababi assist was blessed with higher speed wall. Yes, whoever did that. Yay, whoever did that. Ooh. Okay, that's not very. Oh yeah, I just got blessed with some speed walk here. Knock it off. No, knock the ice off. Push it off. Hey, I barely got frozen. Look at my elbow. My elbow's just like. Oh, shoot! Ah! Shoot him! Shoot! How do we shoot? Whoa! Oh, I died. You're kidding me. It's not that hard. All you gotta do is not press the button. It's not that hard. Don't! I'm watching. Wait, watch out. Trilla has a sword. Huh? What's Trillelo? Who is he? Oh! That's him. Okay, bye. Trillelo? Run! You have to run. No! Go! Get away. Why did he follow me? What if he have to target me? Are you kidding me? Knock these bricks down. Knock them down. Give them the suffer. He knocked them down. Oh, ooh. Those things splattered everywhere. Don't press it. I'm watching. Don't. What do we do? Grab the most ice cream. Nom. I love ice cream. I'm grabbing it. Am I grabbing it? What do I do? Is that an ice cream? The ice cream? The ice cream? Where's the ice cream? It says ice cream. I see ice cream. Why can't I grab it? I'm just gonna hide. I'm hiding. Oh, is that an ice cream? Where are ice cream? Mama, donuts. I love donuts too. Hey, it says I won. Oh, no, this is candy, bud. Okay. Yeah, candy. I'm grabbing the most candy, guys. Oh, just okay. 6 points? Man, I was about to grab a chocolate bar. No one grab it. I'm watching you guys. I'm watching. No, don't. Jump over the laser, okay? Boom! This thing is good. This thing is hacked. What are you doing, flying boy? You can't be talking. Just dodge it. What are you guys doing? Oh, I'm off the map. Okay, don't. Hey, green Among Us dude, reach the top. What? Where does it start? We jump? Oh, wow. Okay, that was quite a big jump. No, come on, yeah. Are you kidding me? I'm over. This thing is overrated. Are you kidding me? No one press the button. Don't. I'm guarding it. Don't press it. Wait, help Santa find the presents. 37. Ooh, present. Presents. That was quick. Don't help the mechanic find the wrench. I see a wrench. I can just pick this up, can I? I'll give it to mechanic. Here you go, mechanic. Oh, 5. Okay. Here you go, mechanic. What? What? Where is the wrench? Where is the wrench? I gave the wrench to him. These are not wrenches. Where's the wrench? Wait, this is the one I need a blueprint. I think this is it, right? Oh, now it's a different one, okay? Now give me another one. Here. Boom. What? What? Don't. Huh? Money. I just got one. Meow, meow, meow. Don't press that. No, I'm guarding this button. I'm guarding the button. Don't press. Stand clear of the fights. Okay, bad. Where am I? I'm like over at the left hand. Yeah. Oof. Don't press it. What? It literally spawned right on me. That's unfair. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right now, so that's a very fun one, but I will see you guys in another video. So bye.